Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I have a Christmas in July project, and it is this sweet little box. I thought it turned out super cute, and it's a really good size. I put some of these Santa hat Hershey's Kisses in there. Now they don't have these out yet. These happen to be from last year, but I thought they were super sweet, and I decided to use them to put in this box, and they fit in there just perfectly. So this box measures 3 inches by 2, and it's 3 inches tall. So it's a good size, and it makes such a cute little treat for a coworker, a friend. There's just so many things they can use. You can make it into a stocking stuffer. It's just really a fun one to do. And I'm loving this bundle. All the products you're going to see today will be available August 4th out of the new Stampin' Up! Mini Holiday Catalog. And if you do not have a demonstrator and you would like a catalog, you can contact me on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Alright, so this is what we're making today, so let's get started. It's a really easy box. For this, you're going to need 1 piece of real red 8x7. This is cherry cobbler on this one, but I'm going to change the pattern up on it so you can see 2 different patterns. This paper is really cute. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of the designer series paper, and these are 3x3. I'll show you the paper in a minute. And then you need 2 pieces that are 3x2. Those are for the sides. Then you need 2 pieces for the top, and these are 1 1/4 by 3, and then you need 2 pieces that are 1 1/4 by 2. And then you need a piece of real red and whisper white to stamp on and to cut out our die. And then you're also going to need 2 pieces that are 11 by 1/2 inch, and these are for our handles. Alright, so let's go ahead and stamp and everything first. It seems to be working out good that way. And we cut everything out, and then we put everything together. So this is the designer series paper. It is 'Tis the Season, and it's the 6x6. I love this. This is also available August 4th. I love the prints in here. There's just so many options. And by the way, the print that we're using on this one, we're using the plaid on the bottom, and then the opposite side we're using the top part. So they coordinate really nicely, and a lot of these will work that way. So that is what we're using for that. So let's go ahead and stamp. So the stamp set that we're using is the Warm Hugs. This is the one right here. I love this. I bought the entire suite on this one. You can buy the suites now where Stampin' Up! Puts everything together for you. And this goes with the little coffee mugs and the carriers that we have now, and I can't wait to share that with you. But this is the one that we're using. And then we're using the Warm Wraps die. Now this creates the wraps for the little cups that we have. And these are the wraps and the little ruffled top. It's so cute. But we're using the other dies for this one. We're going to use this one right here. We're going to stamp the Christmas tree this time, so I got the tree die out, and then this stitched circle. Alright, so that's everything. So let's go ahead and start stamping. I'm going to use real red on this one for the little round circle part. It says "For You" on it. Got my finger dipped in there. And then we're going to stamp in Garden Green the tree, and it is 2-step stamping for the tree. I'm going to do the outline first. It seemed to work best for me to do the outline first and then the inside of the tree. And pardon my head if it gets in the way. So there's our little tree. Isn't it super cute? I love this one. And now we're ready to cut it out. So let's grab the big shot, and we'll get everything cut out, and we'll be ready to do the box and put it all together. Alright, so we're going to use the real red that we have, and that's going to be for our circle. And then we're going to use this one to cut out that part, and then the little tree. And I'll probably have to use some of my purple tape for the tree because it's really itty bitty. And I don't want it to move. I'm going to put a little piece on this one too. Alright, so let's send it through, and once again I put the handle on the wrong side, so pardon my arm. Alright, so we'll have our little stitch circle here. Isn't that cute? I love the way that it's stitched. It's kind of an open stitching. And then we have our little circle there. This whole set is so adorable. I love this one. You can also get it as a bundle. You don't have to buy the whole suite, but it's so adorable, you're probably going to want it. Alright, so we are going to put this together. We're going to put this on. Let's just use some wet glue to put this together. And I'm just going to put that on here. Just center it on there. And then I'm going to pop up with a little mini dimensional, our little really little ones. I'm going to just put that in the center. And we're going to pop that one up, the little tree. Isn't that so cute? Look how cute that is. I love this. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of it and get this ready to put on our little tree pouch, I guess. Alright, so now we're going to set that aside and we'll do our box. So let's score this. It's very easy scoring and to put together, very easy. So any beginner could do this project. So we are going to score this on the 8-inch side at 3 and 5. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 2 and 5. And that is it. Super easy. Now to cut this, we are going to cut it on the sides here. And then turn it and do the exact same thing on this side. And then we'll sharpen these score marks. And you're just going to put adhesive on these two sides. And you are going to pull these in. And then we're just going to line this up. And you're going to do the same on the other side. And then there's your box. Very simple and basic box. All right, now let's add the matting, because this is the fun part. I love both pattern sides, but I wanted a contrast, so that's why I'm doing two different ones. I'm really got into plaid this summer, or this summer, it is summer, but I am really into the plaid. I always loved plaid, and we have a designer series paper coming too that is just nothing but plaid. So, but there is some plaids in this one as well. So let's do our little borders. You could even cut this larger, like one long piece, and then just fold it over. But I thought this was a little bit easier. So isn't that cute with the contrast on it? We're going to do these. So look how cute that looks. I love the two different patterns on there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our handles, and this is how I do it. If you don't have grid paper, you'll just have to measure it out. But I just set it on my grid paper like that, and I'm gonna use the Stamp and Seal Plus, and I'm gonna go up to the 3-inch mark. So I'm just gonna add adhesive to that 3-inch mark. And then I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna add it to the 3-inch mark. And then you're going to just set it on here, right to the edge, and then bring this over, and then you want them to be pretty even on both sides. So there's your little handles, and we're going to do the same on this side. And turn it around and do your other one. All right, then we're going to do the same, and I try to line these up pretty close, try to eyeball it to what, you know, the same side. I'm kind of leveling that off with this one, and then you're going to just turn this one over and do the same thing. Just like that. Aren't they cute? Oh, I like the red with this one. It's really cute. All right, now all we have left to do is add our sentiment, and it's super cute. And then that goes just right in the middle there. So there you have it. Isn't it cute? Then just put your little treats inside and you have it all ready. Aren't they cute? Really quick and easy. These could be really good party favors as well. I think they'd be really cute for your guests when they come during the holidays, and you can get these all ready to go before the holidays. All right, everyone, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.